Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Oh my gosh, I forgot to have my lights on in the back here. Uh-oh. Forgot. Honestly, I'm gonna... All right, there we go. Much better, much better. Much better. Honestly, I typically have them on like 24/7, so then I was like, oh, let me like turn them off, and that's what happens. I wonder if like my window's known as like the pink window. How's everyone doing? Where are you guys watching from? It's what day is today? It's Wednesday, July 9th. See, are you guys mostly bearish, bullish, or neutral? Most people are bullish. 555 votes. Uganda, South Africa, Siberia, Morocco, Philippines, England, or the UK. Romania, Tondo, Israel, Algeria, Canada, Kenya, Latvia, Kuwait, Kurdistan, Pittsburgh, Long Island. All right. We'll see. This is the daily, you guys. I mean, like, yesterday, we're already taking out yesterday's high on ES, NASDAQ. On Monday was like the first day that we took out a low on ES, if you count the July 4th low as something that relevant, which is not that much, but yeah, price is super bullish, you know. It remained even within this daily FEG. Then yesterday we had an inside day. Be honest, yeah, yesterday I didn't take a single trade, because I was looking at the 4 hour before I went to bed, and I was like, well, yes, there's like a divergence. Yes, and NASDAQ, no fall through on the downside. We're coming back into the SIBI, so I don't think there would be much. It's like 250-50 for me to participate. And anyway, it is looking pretty bullish here. Way above previous day high now. We just took it out on NASDAQ at like, well, the minute before the open, and then we're having a lot of fall through. Hmm. Ha ha ha. Okay. Yeah, most chat's bullish, very bullish. Let's see. We have unemployment. Oh, yo, today is like FOMC minutes in the afternoon, right? Just flying without me. It's soaring, flying. Yeah, we have 2 p.m. FOMC minutes, and then tomorrow we have 8:30. Bum, 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 bum. What to do? What to do? There's not a star in heaven we can meet. But breaking free. Okay, so let's see here. On the 15, I mean, it's just been following bullish order flow. London, you had a small divergence. It's really during Asia. And we had that shift, retracement. I wonder if this was 50% or not. These are NFP. It's the high from NFP, right? We're soaring, flying. Tanya, I miss giveaways. Damn, you spoiled as hell. I still do giveaways, like, I think I even did one last week. Tanya, why the sour face? I don't have a sour face. How's everybody's July 4th weekend? I'm just saying, like, there's not much I could do if we're just gonna continue, just go straight up at the open, you know. But that's probably why I have a sour face, because I'm like, ugh. No entry. But that's life. Alright, so humongous, like, 15-minute candle there. Humongous hourly candle. You gotta stay patient. Stay patient. Pay attention. My mechanical engineering professor would be like that. Pay attention. We're soaring, flying. La 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 la. Flying. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? We can't do anything, really. I can't be doing nothing. No, straight up, I can't do anything if we're just gonna fly like that. I'll have to wait until 10, I suppose. I don't know. We'll see. Humongous 4-hour candle. Previous 4-hour candle took out a low. This is an expansion, probably going to take out the high. You know? What was it? How was your 4th of July, everybody? Let me read the chat. Angel Rosado is asking, are you no longer participating in Injury Trader at providing analysis? No, yeah, because now they're doing, they're starting at 9 a.m. So I'm going to be on there, like I usually do on Mondays, but not the pre-market. So not Monday from 9 to 11. Social 777 says, humongous erect candles, can't do anything with them. Tell me about it. Inner Circle Dragon says, Tanya, I've learned a great deal of patience from you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's see. No pullbacks even on the 1 minute. Charlie just wants to get to all-time highs, and we'll see. Yeah, pretty much. And that's just fine if it's going to do that, because I'll just wait for another day where we do take out some kind of sell side and have a retracement. You know, that's totally fine. No, R. Sterling says he has poison. He said, is today the last day to buy stocks or something? That's funny. Well, there's really bad feedback on the mic? No way. How about now? Holy straight up day. Yeah. That's fine, bro. Sometimes NASDAQ is just going to do that. I'm fine, because, if you chase this one day and you make money, it's a bad lesson. So how many days do we have where it's just, fugly? And it doesn't help you at all. Imagine doing that on this day. Which was yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday. Did you guys trade yesterday? That looks like a nightmare. I did see a lot of people who tried longs here and they got stopped. That's valid. If it's a valid trade and gets stopped out, it's nothing you can do about it. Barcode ass action. Now today we have straight up action. We're up 100 points in about 17 minutes on NASDAQ. Looked terrible yesterday, yeah. I know, right? What can you do? I went to a wedding on the 4th of July. It was really good. It was a black tie wedding. So I got to dress up. And then, My calves were on fire the next day and on Monday. I asked my personal trainer, I was like, can we go easy today? Or can we not do legs today? I can't do leg day. I physically cannot. And thankfully she listened to me. We did upper arms, upper body, and arms and core and whatever. So I cannot do leg day today. I could not walk. My calves were on fire from wearing heels and dancing. And I took off my heels and I put on socks literally an hour into the night or an hour and a half into the night, and still was on fire. Damn, someone also when that happened, someone stepped on my foot with their heel, with their stiletto. Ooh, that hurt like a BTCH. But I just shook it off. I continued. I was like, oh, the night's almost over. I'm not going to let this ruin my night. I'm not going to go sit down. I'm not going to cry about it or anything, because you could. And that was a major mind over matter moment. I was like, nah. I was like, oh, that really hurt. It left a mark on my foot. There's literally a mark on my foot and a huge bruise. You can see where the stiletto was. But that same thing happened to me at my 5th grade dance, you guys. But I was actually, I was wearing heels, and then someone else came, they just came through and were running into different groups and just being stupid and funny. And then just stepped on my foot. And that left a mark too. And I literally, in 5th grade, that's when I cried and I let it ruin my night. And I was like, I'm not going to let it happen this time. And I did it. Our Sterling said slug someone. Believe me, I could probably take a good amount of people in a fight. I have a 2nd degree black belt in Taekwondo, actually. But I did that when I was a kid. I was from kindergarten to 8th grade. So that's a lot of years, but then I went to do basketball. Continued my basketball. And volleyball. Tariff day. I would probably consider it from 9:30 Candle or Sterling, I think, asked that question, because it's such a large candle at the open. When that happens, I typically mark it out, but we never even retraced to it. Isn't that crazy? There's not much to do. I mean, after it hits this buy side, I can't really consider this anymore, because it could be a reversal, you never know. Yes, hit an hourly, the first high here. Nasdaq hit that probably at the open or something. Or was that the open that we hit? We were just taking a previous day high. Nasdaq hit that at 9:36. Huge wick, continuation. Yeah, Hadi, I just said yes. I can't back down. There's too much at stake. Did you guys take a trade yet? Who took longs? 60% of the chat was long. I'm sure somebody took a long. Roddy says, what, volleyball and basketball? Geez, what about soccer? No, I did not play soccer. I watched soccer, but I did not play it. I'm too tall for soccer, you know? No good. Also, mostly my mom didn't want me out doing outdoor sports in the cold weather in New York. So she was like, "You're gonna catch a cold." So that's literally why. That's most of the reason why I play the sports I do, because they're indoor. There's no height for soccer. Nah, I'm too tall for soccer. Take your jacket, mother. My mom also, when I was young, she also made me wear like long pants under my basketball shorts when I was like in the 3rd grade starting out. Goalkeeper. Yeah. When I played soccer with like my cousins, I was the goalkeeper. Hello from Mexico. Hello. Black belt basketball player dropping elbows on defense. My dad would tell me to elbow people, not to be afraid to elbow people when the ref wasn't looking. You guys, one time my dad would come to all my games, and super supportive, was great, and like he would troll the other teams, and like one time he made the other team's coach so mad because every time they got to like they were behind the 3-point line, or like a good step behind the 3-point line, they could not shoot, by the way, like threes. But so that when the other team would be behind the 3-point line, my dad was like cheering for them and telling them, shoot, shoot. Like he was coaching them essentially. And they were listening to him. So it's not our fault. They were listening to him. And they were missing air ball, missing. And the other team's coach got so mad. Who yelled at him, and he tried to get him kicked out of the game, but he wasn't doing anything illegal. That's part of the game, the mental game. Very New York, yeah. Like the coach got mad at him. He was like, "What? I'm telling them to shoot. I'm like cheering for them." Yeah, psychological warfare. Tanya versus IFEG boy who wins. Yo, he's gotta like chill on that, like some of his comments. I think he's just trying to engagement farm, but I gotta call Dodgy and be like, yo, chill. I don't know the South Park reference, unfortunately. I never watched South Park. Is that a good show? I honestly don't really watch TV. I watch YouTube. A YouTuber that watches YouTube. Oh, you know what I've started watching though? Full Swing, like the golf series on Netflix. That's good. I don't watch TikTok. I don't have a TikTok, by the way. I deleted my TikTok in like 2021, never reopened it. I need to finish it. What do I have to finish? Full swing? I should watch a Tiger Woods documentary. It's really good. Yeah, it's on my list to watch. I mean, I just see this humongous FEG here also staring at us in the face. Like, just look how powerful that candle was. It never had a down wick here. We didn't even come back into this either. It's kind of wild. Did I see Speed in Croatia yesterday? No, he did a vlog in Croatia. That's cool. All right. NASDAQ took that buy side like a mofo here. Just no retracements at all. That's so wild. Why are we... What's so crazy bullish about today that we just literally just went straight up 120 points? Anyway, that was a 10 a.m. candle. ES has a lot of catching up to do. Yeah, heat map does show. All the big companies are up 2% on the day. Nasdaq's up 1%. ES probably up like 0.5, 0.62%. Someone said YM reversing kind of hard. Yeah, YM is all the way back out. It's 9:30 open. So you have a slight divergence there. ES and NASDAQ. NASDAQ took a new high a couple minutes ago, new high of the session. ES not yet. NVIDIA just hit a $4 trillion market cap. That is crazy. Damn. Yo, NVIDIA literally, from its April low is up double from the April low. Scared money don't make money. Definitely seeing some ES weakness here. Smash the like button. You just smash the like button? Nice. You said smash the buy button? Hoppala. I feel like now's not the right time to be smashing the buy button because you got your divergences. Nice flex, I know, right? I'm actually getting stronger. Oh, I used to hate, I still don't like arm workouts. I hate push-ups, I hate pull-ups. I don't like anything. The biceps and triceps thing, chest, I hate all that. But I do it. But now I can lift stronger, yay. Yeah, not a lot I could do here. Right? It's just like, not a lot that I can do. Like, why would I want a short, really, when the first 30 minutes, 40 minutes has been so strong? I can't really long either. Let's see the chat. Did you guys take a trade? How to trade so confident and calm? It comes from the internal piece of like knowing that you'll find another trade if it's not set that clear to you. Chocolate. I freaking love ice cream and chocolate. I do. I do. I have a new vision board on my desk too. I made a new vision board. Because I like completed my last one. What do I make of this year's market conditions? I mean, the summer's been pretty shitty. But like the move down was amazing. Like April, that was amazing. Move back up, there were some good trades, but then a lot of between on the move up and now, especially after the move up, it's like very tough. You got to pick and choose your spots. FOMO was a hell of a drug. Yeah. Mateo scalped twice. Nice. Yeah. To me, it seems like ES is probably going to end up working its way back up to that new hive day and buy side. There's just no sharp, clean reversal to look for anything to go lower. Nasdaq never even had a 1 minute inversion. I mean, I could mark that out, but the last few 5 minute candles are pretty small. 1, 9, I didn't notice until now, since 9:50. Definitely have been just consolidating. We're in a premium market now? I know, word. Word. Can say that again. I'm not doing another fit check. It doesn't make any sense to do that. I'm wearing the same shorts as last time, but they're white. The same exact shorts, I think, from Aritzia. You're still living in New York City, or did you move? I'm still living in New York City. I'm not, like, looking to move anytime soon. Yeah, I pay a lot of rent and taxes, but, like, that's the money you pay to be close to family. Simple as that. It's not like I moved here from somewhere else. Nobody. I'm born and raised in Queens. I had that green Metro card when I was a student, white and green Metro card. And then the lady would get mad if you lost it, the lunch lady. I took 2 buses to my high school every day. It'd be an hour commute each way. Because when applying to high school is like applying to colleges. It's like, if you go to a good school, it's going to be a while from your house. New York is very expensive. You could say that again. What high school did you go to in Queens? A good one. Small one. I'm not giving them free publicity. I don't like the administration there. They let too many things go. They covered up too many scandals at my high school. Mr. Slim Tiny didn't get to say hi to you at the New York City meetup. Why not? Steve Ferguson said, I thought you were one of them cute little Southern girls. That's the funniest thing I read today. I guess sometimes sometimes I go into a Southern accent just for fun. Just like the British accent. I look Eastern European because I am Slavic. When is the next New York City meetup? I can't miss it. I don't know. Tradeify hosted it. I think Rake Trades is doing a New York City meetup August 23rd. I won't be around though. I'll be in Croatia. But my friend Jake, Rake Trades, you can sign up from his on his Instagram. He posts about it. What Slavic origin are you? Croatian? High maintenance girls? I know, right? I'm high maintenance. I'm highly maintained because I maintain myself. I think it's okay to have high standards if you're meeting them yourself. If you can, if you aren't meeting them yourself, you can't expect it from someone else. This is very slow. I don't like this. Is not like a quick reversal to be looking at or anything, in my humble opinion. Do I have kids? No. You say you're part Asian? No. Croatian. Come on, buddy. That's what I would get in my my middle school, though. They would say, like, oh, you're you're part Asian. That's why you're smart. Croatian. Because there were a lot of Asians in my class. Koreans. A lot of Koreans. A lot of Chinese too, but a lot of Koreans. I learned some Korean. Hajima. 안녕하세요. Anyway. What did I want to say with that? Not much there I can say. There's no Asian people in Croatia. What's my type? I don't have a type. Please do a Croatian folk dance. No. The only one I know is the very simple one, and almost every culture has. You hold your hands together in a circle, and you put one foot in the front of the other, and then you put the foot behind the other. Cool. I thought Queens was dangerous. It is. Don't come here. Don't come to Queens. It's dangerous. Who Nas grew up here. Got the Queensbridge housing projects. You have Jamaica. You have scary stuff in Queens. Don't come to Queens. Stay in Brooklyn. Stay in Manhattan. I don't need people to come here and raise the rent more. 50 Cent grew up in Queens too, yeah. I met 50 Cent. He's cool. Nice guy. We have Spider-Man in Queens. Very true. What do you guys think is going to happen? We're just going to consolidate more? Do you guys think that this is going to start out as like a slow reversal and then like suddenly quickly drop to here? I guess we'll find out. We finally had that inversion in the 1 minute. I just don't feel comfortable at all taking any kind of short here. If you look at the 15, like we're just so strong. We already took a previous 15-minute lows. It's too difficult. I think we could kind of, I don't know. It'll kind of suck if we kind of just slowly if we just speed up all of a sudden. We have a headline. Well, let's just have like a headline. We'll just drop to here in a minute. Thing is, I was bullish up to this buy side, so it hit it, and we didn't have like the quickest reaction since hitting that buy side, right? How long has it been? Probably like 20 minutes.
Yeah, 23 minutes. So I'm not really anticipating this to be a reversal, a short trade. Could kind of just trap more people. But I'll like highlight the inversion so I can journal it if it does end up being something of something to look at. It's kind of weird that like Nasdaq took out this low and now ES is not. I feel like ES it is the weaker one. So why didn't it take out that low before Nasdaq? I don't know. Also, we're not really having
What do you guys feel? I don't know. Could just like remain flagging, sort of.
if I was like short from this inversion and we came back into here, I'd probably put my stop break even already. Just because if it's so strong like this, I don't want to get caught up in anything. Yeah, definitely weird here. ES not taking out this like 1008 low. Tell you what indicators I use? Not really many at all. You guys, I'm gonna get an orange juice tattoo. I just love orange juice. I do. I'm gonna get an orange juice tattoo. I have no tattoos. Yeah, Nasdaq now creeping lower. Yes, finally breaking that 1008 low. I mean, Nasdaq on that 1 minute inversion. Had someone got tagged in here. Still would not have gotten stopped out at that inversion. Ooh la la. It's bleeding out. It's bleeding out. It's pretty big FEG there. ES all the way back to that 930 FEG now. Is that what I said? I said I was like, I feel like it's going slow now, and then like suddenly it's just gonna drop. No, you said it wasn't going down. No, I said it's too tricky right now for me to enter a short. Said I'll journal this. Rejected again, going lower. What are we gonna do, you guys? What to do, what to do. Fading, it's fading. It's puking. Seems legit. It's like crude inventories came out. That's kind of what happened. There was like a big difference. I don't know if that would... It's like a humongous difference. Like the forecast was negative 1.7 million and the actual 7.1 million. Oh, what goes up? That's why you don't FOMO. What goes up must come down. Not in that sense. Sometimes it won't, but it did come back into this first presented fair value gap. I feel good. Someone said be longing now. No, I'm not longing. Straight up, straight down. I know, right? All of that, we're just about where we opened today now. That's why you don't FOMO to the upside. Okay, great. Lovely, lovely. Tanya finally got her stream delayed. She's moving up in the world. I don't know what you're talking about. Taylor Black says the expert trading plans for my fund of futures. If I crush it one day, as long as I trade to keep the account open, I can just wait for 14 days for the payout. Yeah, pretty much. I think they want you to trade at least two of the days though. 2. But pretty much, yeah. That's why they're my favorite. Plus now it's 50% off. Use code Tanya, you get 50% off. I mean, that's the best price, best bang for your buck, best rules, etc. It's too bad I never retraced to this FEG here. Because this one really I felt like it showed its hand. Just never retraced to it. I can't do much about that. But I did tape read for next time, essentially. You guys, if you don't feel that comfortable, I don't feel that comfortable today, it's fine not to take the trade. There's plenty of other times, okay? And I'll never feel peer pressured by you guys to take a trade if I don't feel like it. But essentially, this inversion, after we inverted this and we came back and retested it, that was would have been the short to take. Stop at the swing high. 4-hour high or low is taken. SMT inversion. Entry retest of inversion. Stop, swing high or low. Target BISI or Sibian equilibrium or 4-hour high or low. I just said that really fast, but I just gave some sauce. And that's that. You just taper, you have more confidence for next time. La 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 la. Let's do this.
essentially, if you keep a lot of BISIs open, especially if there's like a huge 1 minute FEG, we typically like retrace back to it at some point. If it doesn't happen in the morning, it happens later in the afternoon. Scared money don't make money. You win Tanya Weird as MF in Queens. Thank you. PA been sketchy all week? Yeah, it has been. I think hopefully it'll be good tomorrow too, because it's like unemployment. Stop talking like ICT, it's cringe. I don't know what the hell you're even talking about. That's probably why I'm reading the chat too much today. Are you ICT's daughter, stepdaughter? Tell us again right here. There you go. What's up, Nick? How are ya? You take it to trade today, Nick? You're probably long pre-market if you took a trade. That was like 6 a.m. though, so probably not. He said he's sick. Feel better. No, I didn't take a trade. Just kind of tape read. If we were traced into this FEG or like midpoint of it, I probably would have taken it, but nothing else. We just kind of died from there. I tape read the inversion trade from here. It's kind of I bet Kane took that trade. I wonder if he did. He did? That's nice. That's what I was monitoring. Very nice. Who is Kane? Check out my Trader Talks video with him. If you look at it's like one of my
I had an interview with him. It's actually probably like my second most watched video now. Kane. He took like now Jade Cat beat him. But he had the record for the highest payout from Apex, like $2 million. Yeah, Castillo put it in the chat, the interview. Who should I interview next? Let me know. ICT himself. Jade Cap I did interview. Did he save his feet for that interview? I don't know what that even means. The chat is crazy. That's what happens when I read the chat too much. Can't concentrate. Stock Market Wolf. I think that's my friend Rake Trades knows him. Alex G. No thank you. It's exactly his model. Yeah, I think that, honestly, what I just marked out there and I was kind of tape reading is I'm pretty sure it's Kane's model. Lambo Raul. I saw Lambo Raul when I was in Miami. It's just so weird. I literally saw him on the streets of Miami in the design district. No, I'm not interviewing him. Oh, well, why you say that about FX Alex G? I'm not talking about other influencers. I'm not talking about other people in this space too much, but nah, that guy, sus. Barack Obama says Tory trades. You know, it's not my fault. Tory really was. She'll reach out to me and say, let's do something, and then something comes up. So at least we have a vlog up now. Q Banks. Cosmic Castaway says, Tanya, thanks for the help on Ninja Trader yesterday. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, yeah, I talked about OCO orders and how to make your own ATM strategy on Ninja Trader. Let me know if you guys want me to review that on here. Cosmic Castaway also says, also wanted to mention that you helped me stop overtrading by waiting for a setup, better setup. So again, thank you. You're welcome. Have I traded options like IWM, which is cheaper to start with? Yeah. I started trading. Before I traded futures, I traded options. Futures are better. Options, you have to be right on direction and timing. People use options wrong, says GMC. You're supposed to leverage time, especially when you know when price is going. Yeah, so that's why I don't recommend options for most people. I only use I'll trade options like 10% of the time, only when it looks good to like swing trade something. Why is futures better than Forex? Because it's a centralized exchange. There's virtually no slippage at all. This all goes through the CME. Why do you trade futures? You can watch my futures webinar, link in the description, why I trade futures.
4 trades keeps. I don't. Dude. Tanya, watch the lower half. Stop spamming, bro. I literally have it marked out. I have it marked out, brother. I need some coffee. Oh, I just remembered something. What time is it? 10:59? Okay. Lock in, let's go. Yeah, it's so true. I need some coffee. Honestly, NASDAQ now, because we rejected this, we can come all the way back down. 908, you can get back down to here, 780s. I thought you had a Boston accent last year. Croatian. I'm a New Yorker. I'm a New Yorker, though. Boston. Park the car. Gotta park the car. Park the car. Well, honestly, today was a good lesson. Why you don't FOMO. I just tape read that moved lower. Didn't participate in it. I'm fine with that. There could be some more continuation lower later. The 1050 macro, honestly, it's just like kind of a day. If you're a retracement trader, there's just no retracements to get into, really. So on both sides. So I'm not really stressed out about any of it. See if tomorrow's a better day. So congrats if you ended up, catching some of this move. Yeah, today I definitely was not feeling as comfortable to take a trade. Didn't take any trade. I was hoping, I really was looking for this pullback into here, but never got there. Just kaput and died. So, good luck and good luck trading if you are going to continue trading this for the rest of the session, you guys. I'll see you back here tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Ciao.